We're at Miloli Beach Park on our way to Honomalino Bay. You have to go through a hike and it starts at Miloli Beach Park. You walk up this path and soon you'll come to the beginning of the hike. On the way to Honomalino, there's a lot of different terrain, so it might be best to wear something that protects your feet. Here we are starting on the trail. It's easy to see, and in the beginning it's easy to walk through. As you can see, there are a lot of vegetation, so be careful about the scratching from the different plants. Here we are coming up to the fish. This is a private fish pond, so there's no fishing and no swimming. Just follow the path. And right now it's low tide, so there's no water to walk through. Sometimes the tide comes up to the wall you see there. We're on our way to the end to do some fishing. Here's the other side of the beach. It's important to stay on the path because there's still residents there and you're walking by their property. So, you see the sign? Just follow the arrow. Oh, a sign about Hawaiian green turtles, of course. Be very, very careful if you see them and you will stay your distance. The steps here are made from the lava that had flowed previously. You can see how it's formed. Adults have an easier time traversing this path, but children may need some help going down. Still on the path. A lot more vegetation. And if you see the wall that's running on the right, that was man-made many, many years ago. There's a view from the trail looking out towards the ocean. Again, different varieties of plants. Here we come upon dead branches from the kiawe. Still further, we come upon some pretty flowers there. Lantana, I believe. Grows even with all this lava around. Now the path turns into basically lava. You can see how far it goes up the mountain. And then all the way down to the ocean. There's also a utility pole there. Not sure if it works or not, but it runs along the shore. There's another view towards the ocean. Different formations in the lava, you can see that. See the palm trees. We're walking towards that area. It's pretty hot, so you may want to bring some fluids with you in a canteen or bottle. A lot of kiawe. They can survive in this heat and drought. It's kind of amazing. Still walking through the lava. Once again, we're looking up towards the mountain. Mauna Loa gradually rises to more than 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles above sea level. It's the largest active volcano on our planet. Here we see other views of the ocean. We're almost there. Along the path, there are these cactus. It's just growing wild everywhere. It looks really spooky, like snakes are coming out. There's some that are dried along the way. Right now the path is pretty clear from brush. Sometimes it's overgrown. You see there's a house there. You see all the dead cactus along the way and dead stumps. We're almost there. Okay, now don't be startled. Our GoPro camera ran out of battery, so I had to start using the iPhone. There's the bay. What a great reward for the long, hot hike. It's a beautiful beach. The sand here is black, as you can see. It's from the lava being pounded by the ocean, as all sand is made. Here's the other side of the beach. You can swim there, it's safe, or snorkel. And today it's calm, so it's a good day to go out. And we're looking for a spot to fish. Remember I said stay on the path. Well, stay on the path because on the left side there was a resident there. This looks like a great spot to fish. You can see in the ocean the color changes from a light blue to a very deep blue. That shows the depth of the ocean. It changes very quickly, so it's very careful. You have to be very careful. I think we'll fish here for a while, and until our next video, we'll see you again. Aloha.